All right, today we're going to bring a water pump. Now, this is a very small water pump, but very powerful. It has a hand grip here. You can take it anywhere that you have water. If you have an actual lake that has a waterfall, or maybe you want to squirt some water somewhere else or remove the water, you can do that with this one. It comes with an adapter, and right now we did adapt it with a water hose so you guys can see how powerful it is. It has plenty of different features that you could attach it to. They give you an extra bag, and this is a filter bag in case you want to not get any kind of dirt or trees or any kind of brushes out of it, so it will filter just the clear water. They give the instructions itself and a long cord. Now this is submergible, not the cord itself, not the end. All right, just this part is submergible. This is removable in case if you don't have anything to filter out of it. It's just a clear water. You can remove this. Water comes in here, water goes out. So we are going to attach this out and to see how fast we can actually get a whole bucket out of water completely out. So let's go ahead and test it out and see how it works. All right, we're going to go ahead and submerge the actual pump itself. All right, submerge it completely. You guys can see it all the way through. And we're going to see how much bucket, the entire bucket or half of the bucket, is going to drain out. All right, let's start the process. I'm going to plug it in right now. We have the submerged. Plugging it in. Whoa! Look how powerful it is. I just plugged it in, and that's it. That's pretty much a whole bucket right there. Still has a couple. I'm going to try to get as much as we can out. And that's it. Plug it. I'm gonna show you the process. This thing was super fast. I didn't even get me time to unplug it correctly. But look at that, completely out in a matter of seconds. So this will drain out pretty much anything throughout the day. If you have a swimming pool or a lake or a puddle or water flood in your basement, this is perfect. Just make sure you get the long hose and you should be good. So very simple, easy to use. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.